What's up guys, Savage Gamer here, back with another video, and today I have the Rubiks GAN Collaboration Speed Cube. So, I wanted to get this because, why not? And, plus ever since I got the GAN's Air, I've always wanted to get this, and this is actually a pretty cool packaging. So it comes, obviously, in similar packaging as the Air. So, let's see how it is. So this definitely looks a lot like the Air mechanism. So as you can see, it's like this actually has the honeycomb design, which the Air doesn't have. And I'm probably not even going to get my original Rubiks brand out because this is probably going to be miles better. Let's see how this turns. Oh, wow. Well, this definitely feels like the Air. So, just in the Air too. Different sound. Jeez. So, yeah, this is actually pretty good. And I just realized that the shades are interesting. Here, see how the shades compare. So, yeah, they definitely have darker shades, which is actually pretty cool. So, yep. The mechanism I'm probably gonna imagine is the same as the Air, or similar. To take a look, if it wants to come out. There we go. So yeah, it's definitely similar to an Air. I just noticed it doesn't have a screw that the Air does have. These are always hard to take apart. Yeah, it's hard to get an edge out. So, maybe off camera will work. There we go. So yeah, similar mechanism. The Air has the screw. And taking a look at the corner, it does come pre-lubed too. So yeah, it's definitely not a... Yeah, it's basically similar to the Air where it has the... Yeah, I think this also... Yeah, it has ridges. This doesn't. So the mechanism is basically similar to the Air, it just doesn't have screws. So, oh, what's happening? There we go. And get you in. There we go. That's all good. So, yep. So that is pretty much it from this cube. I think this also has a GES nut in here. So, yeah, it's really hard to take this off, probably. I'm not even going to try, because I'm probably going to rip my nail doing it, and there goes my iPad. So, I guess we'll give this a scramble and see what this looks like. So, it definitely will look pretty cool next to the GAN's Air. Oh yeah, for the future video, I'm also waiting for a GAN's Air SM so I can compare it to my Vulcan GTS 2. So, yep, there it is, all scrambled up, and it looks pretty cool. And why not go for another solve, because just watch my horrible solving. So, I started to do CFOP So I'm pretty much like a beginner and trying to get it. So oh nice, I got that. There it is. So yeah, there is a GAN's GS nut in here. It's just really hard to take out. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the Rubiks GAN collaboration speed cube. I was gonna take my Rubiks brand out, but this is far better than my original Rubiks brand, and even my Rubiks speed cube. So yeah, thanks for watching. SG2413 out.